This is 6th Canto, Chapter 2, verse 14. Sanketyam parihasyam va stovam helanam evava vaikunta nama grahanam eshagna haram vidu. He says, as soon as you chant without offenses, as is said in the purport, it says, Vaikunta arohana. Arohana, it means you go up. There's avaroha and aroha. Like avatar means come down, and avaroha means descent or coming down. So bhakti is a path that we're endeavoring, but we're waiting for the mercy. Like Yashoda, she endeavored, but she waited for the mercy to come down from Krishna. So the yoga path is Arohapant. It's called Arohapant. The path of ascension, of climbing. Your asanas, your pranayam, your dhyan, your dhruvana smriti, your samadhi, then your Sayuja Mukti, or whatever, Brahman realization, asa siddhis, mystic powers. So here he's saying, in the purport he's saying, Vaikunta Arohana, as soon as you chant without offense, then you ascend to Vaikunta. So that's actually what happened with Ajamil. He chanted without offense. He was supposed to go to hell. The Yamadutas came to take him to hell. He chanted without offense, and all his sins were taken away. Why? Because he chanted one of these kind of names, indirect name, Sanketnam, Parihasanam. So these are chanted because he was not initiated. He was not initiated in the Nam Bhajan, and he was not. We're sadhakas. So for sadhakas of Nam Bhajan, you and I and all of us, we're practicing Nam Bhajan. Then for us, there's two stages: Shuddhanam and Premna, and then there's chanting with offense and Shuddhanam. This is all, and the Goswami books, they only talk about two stages also. This introduction of three stages is something that was Swagatam, was given by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So for many, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is the gospel truth and the absolute word, and that's well and good. But there is also a larger viewpoint of Gaudiya viewpoint of the whole Gaudiya Sampradaya. And oftentimes they don't agree with some of the conclusive statements of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, which some missions hold very dear, and those are the very tenets and foundations of their philosophy, like falling from the spiritual world, and things like this, which Bhaktivinoda Thakur introduced, Bhaktisiddhanta carried it forward, Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada also spread it, that we fell from Krishna's Leela. But the Goswamis don't say any of this in any of their books. They say we're Anadi Krishna Mukh. This is what it says in Chaitanya Charitamrita. We're eternally here. And we can, by mercy of Krishna, we can maybe go there. And then we'll never come back. This is what's told in our Shastra.